Hello! Today we are here in Switzerland with TMK 250 hanging, so 250H with this truck crane combination. And today we're going to a customer to dismantle a tree from their yard. So let's go have a look. The base machine today is MAN 3-axle truck equipped with Fassi F185 crane, which was kicking out about 210 bars. And the shear is TMK 250H with the bigger cylinder, and the hanging tilt is controlled by the pressure diverter valves. So you only need one set of hydraulic lines to operate this. So it was very easy and plug and play kind of setup for this machine. The job today is to dismantle and take away this big birch tree which was growing in their customer's yard, and they wanted to take it out before it falls on top of the buildings and causes damage. And we start the job by going to the top of the tree and start dismantling from the top down. And we want to make sure that we take small and safe pieces or sections out of the trees that are not too heavy for the crane, so that the truck doesn't tip over and that the tree doesn't crack on top of the shear, so there might be some debris falling down. So we want to make sure that they take small bits at a time. And after the pieces are cut, we lift them down with the crane and place them directly into the box which is on the back of the truck, so that we can just drive out of the job and take all the branches with us and the bits and pieces of the trees with us after the job is done. And also what is good with this setup is that it is remote controlled, so you can actually operate it from a safe distance. And the TMK 250H cuts up to 25 centimeters. So here we want to really test out what was the maximum capacity of the tree shear. So we're really trying it out. And as you can see, this bit of trees, it was already too big for the shear, so it didn't cut all the way through. But it was stuck so deep in the tree that it was a safe and sturdy platform for us to hold the tree in place while we took the chainsaw out and cut this remaining section out. And then it was just to lift the pieces, take the support beams, support legs back in, and job done. On to the next one. That was a cracking setup in Switzerland. If you're interested to learn more about safe, efficient and easy to maintain tree clearing equipment, we're here to help you out. Either contact your local TMK dealer or comment down below and we'll sort you out. Thanks for watching. Until next time.